Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert and remove weights from Corsair Nightsword. And this mouse comes with 6 different weights in the case right here. There's 3 of 4.5 grams of weights. These are the full ones are 4.5. And there's also 3 of 2.8 grams, and one of the bigger ones weighs around 1.5 gram, and the lighter ones weighs around 1 gram. It's 0.93 or something like that. And now to actually place or remove them, we'll need to open a hatch right here on our mouse. So there's a gap right here. You can put your finger there or something thin to open the case and then remove it just like that. Now take your weights and place them like that. Make sure that they fit inside. Then we can close the hatch, and you'll need to start in the bottom direction, in the direction of the cable. So it should go like this, and then simply push it in, and we just added a new weight. Now to remove them, again we'll need to open the case, and then simply I recommend to use something thin because you might break your fingers with that, but I'm just gonna go and remove them like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.